Take a ride in the 2022 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.